Hello, this is Steve with another Excel video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sort data in Excel. And it's surprisingly easy to do, but it is so effective and so powerful for not only organizing your data, but also being able to find things that you're looking for in larger spreadsheets. So, without further ado, let's dive into an example and I'll show you how to sort. So I'm just using a very simple example here. As you can see here, we have the numbers 1 through 10. They're out of order, and I also have formatted a few of the numbers between 1 and 5, the lower numbers, in a red font, and I'll show you how we can sort using the font color as well. So I'll give you a couple of different ways to sort. So if you want to sort this column, you can either select the range of cells to sort them, or you can also select the entire column just by clicking on the A. And then you're going to make sure you're in the Data tab. So if you're on the Home tab, you go over here to Data. And then under Sort and Filter here, you have the Sort buttons here. These are your quick short sort buttons. For this one, all you do is click on this button and you'll see here it will sort smallest to largest, which means 1 through 10. And then if you click on this one, it will sort the opposite. So we're just going to click on that, and there you go. We've sorted our data. Now if we want to sort it the other way, highest to lowest, then we click on this one and it sorts it backwards. So let's hit Control-Z a couple of times to undo that and go back to our original disorderly list. One thing to keep in mind is that once you sort something, it will take it out of order. So if you have data in a list in a way that you want it to be, then you may want to copy that onto another spreadsheet the way it is, so that when you sort it, you don't lose track of your original order. It's also important to note that if you have several columns of data, so for instance, if I take this and copy it and paste it next to it, we'll just do the values for now, and I sort this, let's hit escape to get rid of our selection. If I hit the column here and I go sort this A to Z, you'll notice it behaves a little bit differently. See, it gives me this warning and it says it found data next to your selection, and it says it won't be sorted. So what will happen if I say can't, or just continue with the current selection, is it will sort this row or column, but it won't sort this column. I'll show you what I mean. I'm going to just hit, and you normally don't want to do this. You normally want to say expand the selection, but if I don't and I just continue with this current selection and click sort, you'll notice it sorts this column, but my associated data did not sort with it. So if you have a list of names and a list of phone numbers and you sort just this column, then their phone numbers are all going to be wrong because this column is going to stay. So let's Control-Z again, and I'll show you what I mean, where you can go and say sort A to Z. It's going to give me that same warning. And now we're going to say expand the selection. So it's going to sort my whole range together. Okay. Now we click sort. And notice that it sorted these, and then it sorted these with it. And actually I did something wrong. It sorted by color, which I didn't really want it to do. There we go. So now it's sorting these numerically 1 to 10, and it expanded the selection so that it sorted our column next door as well. So that's something very important to keep in mind when you're sorting. Let's go ahead and get rid of this, and then I will show you a couple more things that you can do to sort. So another way that you can sort without going up to your Data tab is you can just right click here. You have to select into your range and then right click like that, and then you can go to sort and smallest to largest, but we already have it sorted that way, so let's go largest to smallest. And it did the same thing. It sorted our list largest to smallest. Okay, let's do a couple of undos so that I can get back to our unordered list. There we go. Hit escape. So now we have our unordered list. Let's sort it by color. So we'll select our range that we want to sort. And now you can go and click on the sort button here, and it's going to bring up a dialog box and give you some more options. So what it's telling you here is how you want to sort this. It has the column, so it's sorting by column A. It has what you want to sort by or sort on, and right now it's clicked on cell values, and then how you want to order it, smallest to largest. So if I do this, then it will sort it smallest to largest 1 through 10, just like we've been doing. But if I hit this drop down here, I have some different options, and one of them is font color. So I'm going to click on the font color, and then it's going to ask you which color you want to go by. It's going on automatic because I only have one color in there, the red. And this is saying I want red on top. So it's going to put all the red at the top. So let's click OK and see how that goes. And there we go. So it took all the red, put it on top, took all the black, put it on bottom. We can do it the other way as well. We can go by font color, automatic, and go to bottom. Now all the red is going to drop to the bottom. Okay. Let's redo our sort here. Let's go back to putting the red on top. And then, but you notice, right, like the numbers are not in order. It's only sorting by the colors. It's just saying anything that's red goes down here, anything that's not red goes up here. So let's add another level to our sort, and we do that by clicking here, and then it goes down here, and now we can sort. First we're going to sort by color, and then we're going to sort by cell values, smallest to largest. So we'll go ahead and click OK, and now we have them in order the way that we want. And if we were to do this and click largest to smallest, what you'll notice it'll do is it's going to put the red on top first and the black on the bottom, but then it's going to sort each color largest to smallest. So it's going to say 5 to 1, and then it's going to say 10 to 6. So I click OK. So it says, so we're sorting first by the reds and then by the blacks, but then we're sorting by the actual numbers. Okay, and I'll show you that one more time so you can see what it's doing. But by doing that, by having these features or these options in the sort, you can get very detailed and complex with your sorting to really organize your data really well. Okay, so I hope that helps you to be able to dive in and do some sorting with your data. And if you like this video, please click the like button to show me and others that you do, and that really helps. And I would love it if you subscribe to the video. And then if you want, down there in the descriptions, you can go and join any of my courses. I have Excel mastery courses for beginners that are very easy paced, very detailed. I don't leave anything out. I don't withhold any secrets. My goal in those courses is to just really make you a master at Excel. So if you're interested, I'd love to see you in there. And thanks so much for watching. Have an awesome day.